have any subjects that played to my real strengths. And I think the ultimate form of like the perfect education system involves like looking at a group of students like they're animals. Don't take this the wrong way. But like one person's a fish, one person's a gorilla, one person's a bird, and the bird can fly well, but the bird can't swim well. The fish can swim well, but it can't climb a tree well. And so like, what are you fucking good at? What are you the best at? What is your child innately in tune with, and how can you amplify that? The issue is you need the working class, and we'll always come back to that. Is like you need someone who's going to work that 9 to 5 and put in those man hours and do that manual labor for some of the jobs and work in the factories. And I think that's how the education system. You know this. I'm saying stuff you already know, but like the country was built to create worker bees.
Absolutely, that's a fact. Yeah, well, I think you're absolutely onto something big, because one of my favorite quotes is from Aristotle, and it's the fate of empires rests in the education of youth. So
Aristotle said that?
Yeah. So you're absolutely. I think you're Aristotle.
Yeah, I said I was the yes man. You just fucking
It came out, dude. I'm sorry.
philosophers
Sorry.
of all time. But also counter your point, or I guess it's a question. Don't you think the world?
Yeah, not today. Yeah, not today. Not today.